Use a fire blanket when there is a small flame and only if you feel safe to do so. To use a fire blanket, pull the fire blanket from its bag and hold the two tabs with the blanket corners over your hands to protect them. Slowly walk towards the fire with your arms outstretched. Carefully place the blanket over the pot. Do your best to form a seal so oxygen cannot get in. Do not remove the blanket as the fire could reignite. Turn off the gas and electricity at the stove or at the main supply. Close the door, get out, stay out and call 000. Even if you have successfully extinguished the fire, call 000 so firefighters can come and check that it is fully out and that you are okay.